Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon gift card at checkout. First, log into your Amazon account and navigate to the gift cards section. You'll find a prompt to redeem a gift card. Carefully enter the 16-digit claim code from your physical card or e-gift email. After entering the code, simply click Apply to your balance. Your gift card funds will then be instantly added to your Amazon account, ready for your next purchase. Once your gift card balance is loaded, shopping is easy. As you proceed to checkout with your desired items, your available gift card balance will automatically be applied to eligible purchases. On the final Place Your Order page, you will see the gift card amount deducted from your total. Always confirm that the correct amount has been applied before finalizing your order. It's a seamless way to pay for your items. What if your gift card doesn't cover the entire purchase? No problem. If your order total exceeds your gift card balance, you'll simply be prompted to select an additional payment method for the remaining amount. The unused portion of your gift card balance will remain safely in your account for future use. You can always check your current balance in your Amazon account summary, ensuring you know exactly how much you have left. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your gift card isn't working, first double-check the 16-digit claim code for any errors. Also, confirm that the card hasn't already been redeemed on another account. Remember, some gift cards might have specific restrictions on certain product categories. If issues persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Amazon's customer service. They are always ready to help you out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.